What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an email sequence. So there's two real ways. First, you can go right here to the marketing tab, click that guy. Then you'll be taken to right here at the very top to workflows. These will be workflows you've done already, as long as imported, archive, etc. At the very top right, you'll be clicking the button Add New Workflow. This is where you name your workflow and you create your email sequence using delays and whatnot. I'll show you in a second, but I'd like to first show you my favorite way to do it is usually to go from a funnel. So for instance, maybe I want to create an opt-in email sequence that's coming off of an opt-in page, or maybe it's an order form and I want to do an abandoned cart sequence or a purchase sequence. You can come in to any funnel, and then when you look at your actual funnel itself, you'll see to the side right here is a little lightning bolt. When you click on that, it will pop up the same workflow that you saw before when you went to the workflow section underneath the marketing tab. The thing I like doing here is it allows you to easily set up the triggers because it will incorporate it into the funnel itself, whether you creating the workflow elsewhere and then having to connect it. You can do it the other way. It's just more steps. So here we'll just say this is, like, and see right here is where you get to choose what type of trigger you want. And because we picked on an opt-in page, you can also set it for page view or order. We don't have an order form on that one. We'll just go with opt-in. And then right here, we'll go to create workflow. Now at the very top right here, you always want to make sure this is clicked on. This actually makes the workflow live. And then the second thing you always want to make sure is you want to make sure there's always at least one trigger set. If you click on this, you'll see right here, because we went through the funnel step, it now made this a trigger as an opt-in. You can also add more triggers right here. And you can make sure you turn that trigger on. Boom. All right. So you can see now we've got the lightning bolt. That means we're active. We have an opt-in sequence. You're going to hit email right here at the very top. Again, in case you didn't see what I did, there's a little plus right here. You click that, and then you've got all different types of things you can do. You can add a tag. You can send a notification. I'll make a whole thing about workflows in another video, but today we're talking about emails. So you'll just go to email. You would make your email name whatever it is. Pick whatever template you're using. And if you wanted to design it, you click here, subject. So there would be your first email right here. So it would be immediate right now because there's no delay. The next thing you do is where the next plus is, or if you wanted to have a delay in between it, you'd come over to the delay tab right here, click it. You could set it for minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or years. Right now, we're going to set it for 1 day. So we'll click that over to day, hit create. And now there'll be a delay from this step to the next step, which would be another email, and you make that email number 2. And then you go about the same process. So that is how you create an email sequence inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. I'll see you in the next video. Funnel Doc out.